Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the most talked about skincare essentials you can get your hands on, the best vitamin C 15% 30 ml serum. This is a professional-grade brightening facial serum, and we're going to cover everything you need to know, from its formulation, benefits, texture, to how it fits into your daily routine. Now, let's start with what makes this serum stand out. It's a 15% vitamin C serum, and not just any vitamin C. This one uses a stable form of L-ascorbic acid, known for its superior potency and effectiveness in tackling dull skin, dark spots, and signs of aging. Alongside that, you get the added power of Arbutin, a known skin brightening agent that helps improve overall tone and clarity. When it comes to hydration, this serum is not cutting corners. The formula is enriched with hyaluronic acid and panthenol. These ingredients are well known in the skincare world for maintaining moisture levels and reinforcing the skin's natural barrier. This means while you're getting all the benefits of vitamin C's antioxidant power, your skin stays plump, nourished, and protected throughout the day. Let's talk about texture. The consistency of this serum is light, non-greasy, and absorbs quickly. That's a huge plus, especially if you're layering it under moisturizers or sunscreen. There's no sticky residue, and it doesn't interfere with makeup, which makes it ideal for morning use. What's really impressive is the plant-based ingredients in this formula. You've got green tea, bitter melon, elderflower, and edelweiss extract, all of which are packed with antioxidants and help calm irritated skin. If your skin often reacts to harsher formulas, this could be a gentle yet effective alternative. The serum is designed for all skin types, whether you're dry, oily, sensitive, or combination. That said, because it's active and potent, always do a patch test, especially if you're new to vitamin C. Now, an important update on labeling. The brand notes that due to changing regulations, particularly in the US and Europe, the ingredient list on the packaging might appear different. For example, aloe-based components might now just be listed as water. But rest assured, the formulation remains unchanged. Application is simple. After cleansing and toning, apply a few drops of the serum to your face and neck. Follow it up with your favorite moisturizer and don't forget sunscreen during the day. Regular use, we're talking daily use over a few weeks, can lead to a noticeable improvement in skin radiance, evenness, and overall glow. One thing to keep in mind, this serum is fragrance-free and doesn't contain parabens or harsh chemicals. That's a big deal for anyone trying to avoid irritation or allergic reactions. But again, always test it out on a small area first. To wrap it up, if you're looking for a powerful yet gentle brightening serum that hydrates, evens skin tone, and supports healthy-looking skin, this 15% vitamin C serum with Arbutin is a strong contender. It's effective, lightweight, and designed with high-quality ingredients to work across a variety of skin types. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you've used this serum or have questions about it, let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on our next pro review. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.